Hello, hi guys. So in today's video, we'll learn how to install Ubuntu on Oracle VirtualBox Manager. So for that, first of all, we'll create a new virtual machine. So we want to install Ubuntu on this. So we'll give the name Ubuntu and the folder where the hard disk gonna store. First, I will delete this. I'll create new folder for hard disk, that is Ubuntu 22. So I'll select this folder. So in the ISO image section, so we'll select it later. So type in Linux. You can see the distribution also. The version is Ubuntu 64-bit. Then you have 32-bit also. We'll click on next, and the hardware and memory will be skip 5 GB, and the process is 2 CPU core. We'll click next, and the virtual hard disk is 25 GB. We'll increase to 40 GB. Click next, and you see the summary you have configured, and we click on finish. Once it's done means, so we'll click on start. Here we go. So now it will ask for the ISO image of Ubuntu. So for that, you have to click on this icon and others, and whichever version you want to install, you can select it. So I will install now desktop. So I have live server also. Same thing with 20.04.6, and now I will install 22.043. I will click on that. I will select the ISO image and open. So I'll try to mount and retry boot. So once it's done, so here we go. Successfully starting. So we'll try to install Ubuntu. So just press enter. In view option, you can do full screen mode and scaled mode. Adjust the window size also, so it will take automatically. We'll wait for a while. We'll minimize this. Do the full screen so that you people can see the screen properly. So here under you can see audio, network, USB, share folder also. Just for practice purpose, if you are gonna use me, no need to configure any other things. So if you are willing to configure any other things, you can go to the dashboard, VirtualBox. From here you have the settings. So while running the VM, so no setting will be applied. So you have to shut down your VM and then change the settings. So even if you want to see the disabled adapter too also, so this attached to NAT. So now we'll try to install Ubuntu directly, not the trying Ubuntu. If you try to click on Ubuntu, so only you can view the how the dashboard is, how the terminal will work. So other than you can't do any other such things in advanced level. So for that you have to install Ubuntu. So we are gonna install Ubuntu now. Another method is there to install Ubuntu directly without using these steps. So that's why I did not select the ISO image in the beginning. So if I select the ISO image in the beginning, so it will directly install, so no need to worry about anything. So update and other softwares. What apps would you like to install to start with? Normal installation or minimal installation? Other option, download updates while installing Ubuntu. We'll check this. So normal will install now. So installation type is erase the disk and install Ubuntu. So we'll advanced, if you click on advanced features, you can use LVM with the new Ubuntu installation. So for now we don't want to use LVM, so we'll click on OK. What is the advantage of LVM partition means? So in that, if you have, now I've given the, so we click on continue. So I'm getting the point. So advantages of LVM partition means, so if you are have hard disk of 30 GB or 50 GB, let's consider 50 GB. So in LVM partition, half of the storage goes to root partition and the half of the storage will remain in the LVM partition. That is an unmounted partition. So we'll select the Kolkata. Who you are, your name, will give test, and you can change the name test1, and the username is test. Choose the password. I'll choose my password. So from here you can change the settings. Login automatically required my password to login. So I'll click let it be in default. So now the installation for this has started. So as you can see, so it's almost completed. So wait for a while. So I will teach you how to use terminal, and what is the packages and the tools needs to be installed in the first step. And first of all, you have to do update of the system and upgrade the system, and then we'll install the basics tools too in the Ubuntu. So as you can see, CLI mode below. We have successfully restarted the system, and here the user login. So I'll type my password. The first, after login to the system, you will see the screen. So right now we don't want to add the account of Microsoft, Nextcloud, Google or Ubuntu's single sign-in. So enable Ubuntu Pro is for purchased, where you have the purchase key to use Ubuntu Pro. Right now we are using non-pro mode, so click on next and next. And the final one, next. So we have successfully installed the Ubuntu on VirtualBox. See, if you type anything here, let's see, Thunderbolt. See, you can see. So Office, whichever you want. Right now we need terminal. So terminal, here it is. So if you right click on this also, you will have to session to open in terminal. So here we go. So as you can see, some messages are appeared here. To run a command as administrator, user root, user sudo command. So you have to see the man command to detail of sudo root. So right now we are in desktop directory. So if I do cd command is for coming back to the same directory. If I do ew, so one step back. So we type sudo apt get update and sudo apt get upgrade. If you click on this, you will type the password. It's working. Right now, just for a sake, I've typed the pass command and showed you. So one more thing is there, sudo apt install nettools. This is a basics tool in Ubuntu. So enable to find now. enable to locate the package root. For that, first of all, you have to use sudo apt-get update and sudo apt-get upgrade. Then only you can install this nettool pack. So right now it will take much time to upgrade the system. So right now I don't want to install. So we'll end the video. And in next video I will install Sparky Linux on same Oracle virtual machine. If you want the same video on Hyper-V, this is how you can install Ubuntu on Oracle VM VirtualBox.